Hi, this is Python programming course. Today we shall learn about lists in Python. This is a powerful feature of Python language. If you want to store a set of information at one place, whether you have one item or thousand of items, you can store them in lists. You can put anything in list. In Python, scale bracket indicates list separated by comma. If you want to print this same as it is with bracket, then you can write like this. Here is the output. Here is the output. But in the real world, we shall not print like this. There is another method. Uh, another method for this mentioned here. You can use for loop and display the items in the list on the screen. We have defined print function there so that we don't have to write code again and again. We shall call this function only. You can access the items in the list with index number also, and an index in the list starts with 0, not 1, like many other programming languages. Here the banana is at index 1, so it will show the result. Banana at index 1. Now we can also modify the list with like this, adding a value at the specific index. We can modify the element in the list like this, adding value in the following index. And here is mango present at the index 1. Now there is another method, append method. You can add value in the list like this. Append keyword will add the value at the end of the list. Like this watermelon is now at the end of the list. Here you can see watermelon is appended at the end of the list. Here is another method, insert method. Insert method. We can use insert value at specific index like this. Strawberry is added at the index 2. Here is the result. Here strawberry is added at the index 2. Before it was not present. Now it is present at index 2. Now another statement is delete statement. You can delete value at specific index like this. You can see apple was at index 0. Now apple is removed from the list. There is another method, pop method. Here is a pop method. Sometimes after deleting, you need that value again, so you can also store deleted value in a variable like this, and pop method will remove last item in the list. Watermelon was on the list at the end, so it is popped out. We can pop out at any index like this. Here we have pop at 0 index. Here watermelon was at the end of list, so it is popped out, and at the 0 index mango was print, so it is also popped out. Now another method is remove method. With this method, you can remove any value using remove keyword. Like this, we have removed grapes from the list. Here, grapes are present. Now, grapes are not present. Another method is sort method. We can sort lists alphabetically. Like here, the list is sorted alphabetically. AMOOPS. We can also sort the list in reverse order. And here is reverse is equal to true, and the order here you can see the list is sorted in reverse order. Now last function is length function. We have passed fruit list to length function, and it is giving us the number of elements in the list. There are 6 elements in the list, so it's printing 6 on the screen. Hope you got understanding of list in Python.